Hi guys, welcome to another battle of the foundations. Well, today we're trying out the Charlotte Tilbury Magic Foundation. So if you want to see my thoughts on it and how I got this look, you're in the right place. But before we get started, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please take a moment to go ahead and hit the subscribe button along with the bell notification. Also give it a thumbs up if you enjoy these types of videos. Now I do want to forewarn you that I shot this video and didn't realize that my microphone was not over my head like it's supposed to be. It was a few feet away from me, so the sound quality may not be that good while I am putting the foundation on. If I cannot fix it while I'm editing it, I'm just going to go ahead and do a voiceover. So I apologize for that. I don't want to have to reshoot all of this because that took quite a while, and I have filmed a couple other videos in between. So anyway, I apologize. I have my microphone right here, right now. See it? No, you can see it. Right there. Say hi. So anyway, let's go ahead and if you want to see how I got this look and how the Magic Foundation did, I cannot talk. So again, if you want to see my thoughts on this foundation and see how I got this look, let's get started. Alright guys, in today's video, again, we are trying the Charlotte Tilbury Magic Foundation. This is $44. You get 1 fluid ounce in that. It comes in 18 shades. It is a medium coverage with a matte finish, and it's supposed to be good for all skin types. Now their claims on this are pretty impressive, so I'm going to read them off to you. Pay close attention. So what it does, Charlotte Tilbury's Magic Foundation is a miracle in a bottle. Perfect for all skin types and tones, this award-winning weightless formula offers medium buildable coverage for everything from minor imperfections to more full coverage skin concerns like acne and rosacea. Rich in antioxidants, it reduces the look of wrinkles, age spots, and discoloration to leave you looking youthful and refreshed. Concentrated mushroom extract improves firmness, tightens pores, and moisturizes. Supercharged vitamin C gives you a lit from within effect, while hyaluronic acid reduces the appearance of wrinkle grooves to retexture the skin in as little as 1 hour. The Magic Foundation is recommended for those with acne scarring, mature skin, and normal to tired skin. Its formula is collagen boosted to reduce the appearance of age spots up to 75% in 4 months and the appearance of acne in 9 weeks. So that says a lot about what this is supposed to do for the skin. So let's just get right into this. As always, I'm going to do one side of my face with a sponge and the other side with a flat top kabuki brush. So I have tried this one time. Again, I like to give it a second try here with you guys so I can kind of confirm what my thoughts were on it before. It comes in a beautiful glass bottle, and of course we have a pump on top. And I got the color number 3. So I'm going to pump some out. Go right here. Side of my face. And I totally forgot to get my hair back, so let's do that real quick so I don't get foundation in my hair. There we go. Alright, going with the sponge like I always do. Just tap that in. I do agree that this is a lightweight feeling foundation. This is a really good match to my skin. Alright, so we've got in with one layer. Now let's do the other side with the brush. Very thick feeling to it. All right, let's take a look and see how it's looking. All right, the brush side has a lot of glow to it. So I wouldn't call this matte at all. And even the sponge side has a little bit of glow going on there too. I did get much better coverage with the brush. I definitely agree that it is a medium coverage on the sponge side, but with the brush side, I would say this is almost full coverage looking to me. So I'm going to add a little bit more on the sponge side, but I'm going to use a brush to do that. I'm just going to go into this area here where I have more discoloration. All right, you guys, this looks really, really good. I'm going to zoom you in a little bit and we'll get some pictures taken close up so you can see how it looks. All right, I got you zoomed in, so let's go ahead and start with the forehead and we'll work our way down. I'm not seeing any lines or creasing whatsoever there. A little bit here in my smile lines, which is very normal for me to get those. We'll have to see how it looks when I get some powder on my face. This is very tacky, so I'll let it dry down for a few minutes and see if it does completely set. But this is how it looks close up. I think it looks just beautiful, and I wouldn't go in with any more of the foundation. So I'm going to do the rest of my makeup, guys, and I'll be back in just a bit. Alright guys, before I go ahead and do the rest of my makeup, I did go ahead and put on concealer, and I have powdered both under my eyes and all over my face very lightly. And I just wanted you to get a good close-up of how this is looking. This is looking and feeling so good. It did dry down completely, so that's why I went in just very lightly with powder. I wanted to make sure that the rest of my makeup wouldn't stick to anything, but it looks gorgeous. So now let me go do the rest of my makeup and I'll be right back. Alright guys, I'm back and the makeup is completed. And this is another foundation that's a winner for me. I really, really like this. So again, I have worn it one other time. It lived up to all the hype. It didn't settle into my wrinkles, my fine lines. It looked beautiful, just beautiful all day. You know I love a full coverage foundation. And for them to call this a medium coverage, I don't agree. It's either a high medium or it's a medium to low high coverage, full coverage. So again, as normal, it's very normal for me to get these lines here. I've never had fillers or Botox or any of that kind of stuff. So until I do, if I do, I'm just going to have to learn to live with that. But I think this just has a beautiful, beautiful finish. It looks natural. It feels natural. It doesn't feel like I have any makeup on. So this is another winner for me. Love, love, love it. Highly recommend it. So again, I really enjoy this foundation. I think it is a winner and one that you should go ahead and get. So thanks so much for watching, you guys. Again, if you haven't subscribed to my channel before, please go ahead and do that. Hit the bell notification as well. Give this a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video, and feel free to leave any comments, questions, anything like that down below in the discussion box. So until next time, you guys, I love you all, and bye-bye.